Welcome to Web Wheel Products Installation Guide for the UltraSet Pre-Adjusted Wheel Hub System. This video will outline procedures for the installation of your Web UltraSet Pre-Adjusted Hub. The items you will need for this installation process include shop rags, an emery cloth, oil or semi-fluid grease, a 6-point socket, and a calibrated torque wrench. To begin, remove the old hub assembly and proceed by cleaning and removing any burrs, rust, or debris from both the bearing and seal journal using an emery cloth. After cleaning the bearing and seal journals with emery cloth and shop towels, lubricate the spindle with the same wheel end oil or semi-fluid grease that will be used to fill the hub. Do not get lubricant on the seal journal. Pick up the hub assembly and guide it on the spindle, ensuring you do not bump or damage the wheel seal. Align the spindle nut tang with the axle keyway and engage the hub until it stops. Note: steer axle applications can use tang or D-flat spindle nuts. Apply pressure to the retainer and rotate the hub slowly to engage the threads. Once the threads are engaged, rotate the hub clockwise until it is fully seated on the axle. Remove and discard the gray retainer. Torque the spindle nut 200 to 250 foot-pounds using a calibrated torque wrench and a 6-point socket. Then, rotate the hub clockwise one full rotation. Repeat this procedure 3 times. If equipped, torque the hub's oil fill plug to 25 to 30 foot-pounds and install the hub cap according to the manufacturer's recommendations. For lubricant recommendations, visit www.webwheel.com/UltraSetWarranty. To learn more about Web's UltraSet Pre-Adjusted Hub System, visit www.webwheel.com. Thank you for choosing Web Wheel Products as your trusted partner.